I would now like to invite Ms. Vandana Maheshwari, the National President of COWE India, who has a postgraduate degree from the Institute of Cost and Works Accountants of India. She has been associated with COWE since very long and has been working towards empowering women through entrepreneurship. Vandana holds the position of an MD at VRK Extrusions Private Limited and believes that everything is possible because in her dictionary, impossible means I am possible. So I invite Ms. Vandana Maheshwari once again to give her welcome address.
Thank you, Divya. A very warm and happy afternoon to everyone. Greetings from COWE India. A hearty welcome to Dr. R.K. Singh, GM SIDBI. Thank you so much, sir, for gracing the occasion today. जिस दिन से चले हैं हमारी मंजिल पे नजर है, आंखों ने कहीं मीलों का पत्थर नहीं देखा. COWE was envisaged in a small room 17 years ago by 6 successful first-generation entrepreneurs with a vision to become a national association of women business owners that propels women entrepreneurs into economic, social, and political spheres of power. We are proud to say today that we have consistently grown, and now our vision is to see COWE as the most sought-after organization for women entrepreneurs. Our association with SIDBI goes long back. Our founder director, Mrs. Suman Kumar, was a director on the board of SIDBI, and SIDBI has been both a witness and partner in our steady growth over the past 17 years. The COVID-19 pandemic hit the world so rapidly that it took us some time to fill the gaps created by the sudden outburst, and it was then that the virtual became the new normal. Lots of members were reeling under the setback caused by the pandemic, and to help support them, we decided to do a COWE virtual March to enable them to sell their products seamlessly. We launched this platform on 5th November 2020 for 85 days at a stretch, covering 3 festivals of Diwali, Christmas, and Sankranti. It was during this time that we approached SIDBI for financial support for the technical upgradation of our portal. And the discussion resulted in COWE onboarding 50 vendors trained by Usha Silai School under the SIDBI umbrella. The COWE Mart gave a lot of fillip and confidence to these vendors as they got their training in various areas for becoming tech savvy and ready for online selling. Important techniques and tips on photography through a basic smartphone, social media marketing, information on payment gateways were some of the trainings given to these vendors, some of whom came from the interior pockets of rural India. SIDBI appreciated our efforts in building confidence in these women vendors and making them more effective entrepreneurs. This provided to be a turning point for COWE India. We were approached by SIDBI to promote the Stand Up India scheme amongst women entrepreneurs. A module was given to us, and the rest, as you all know, is history. Swavalamban Sashakt campaign 20 webinars was launched by COWE India in association with SIDBI to give fillip to the Stand Up India scheme launched by the Government of India. The main aim of the series of webinars was to ignite the spark for entrepreneurship amongst women and encourage them to start their entrepreneurial journey to become Swavalambi, to realize their potential of becoming job givers and not job seekers. The inauguration of the series was done on the 3rd of February 2021 in the gracious presence of Shri B.S.V. Rao, DMD SIDBI, and other SIDBI officials and the entire team of COWE India. Today, I, on behalf of COWE India and the entire webinar team, thank SIDBI for this great opportunity bestowed on us to organize an immensely impactful and power-packed national level outreach program on the virtual platform. We started with great enthusiasm and direction, but little did we know then that these webinars would gain so much momentum and become immensely popular, with 80 to 120 budding entrepreneurs week on week. The strength and confidence of our chapter teams under the super guidance of Madhuji, Nidhiji, Umaji, and Ushaji along with the entire webinar team, grew from webinar to webinar. The series of webinars has not only helped in creating awareness for the SUI scheme, but the spark of entrepreneurship has been reignited in many women and young college students. We have had many come back to us with a plan to start something on their own, and we promise to help each of them in their journey to become स्वावलंबी. स्वावलंबी बनने के लिए हमें कोई स्पेशल टैलेंट या ट्रिक की जरूरत नहीं है, बस एक जागरूकता है. और इन 4 महीनों के दौरान हमारा प्रयास यही रहा कि हम ज्यादा से ज्यादा महिलाओं को इस मेगा कैंपेन के द्वारा स्वावलंबी होने के लिए एम्पावर करें. और यही सब ध्यान में रखते हुए हम सिडबी के सहयोग से हमने जो मॉड्यूल्स तैयार किए, उनमें हमने ये बताया कि आपके पास क्या क्या अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं, आपकी कितनी लागत हो सकती है, रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट की क्या संभावना है. बैंकर्स ने आकर बताया कि हम हैं और आप हम पे भरोसा कर सकते हो, पर हाँ, डॉक्यूमेंट्स तो कुछ जरूरी रखने पड़ेंगे तैयार. एसयूआई बेनिफिशरीज ने मन की दुविधाएं भी दूर कर दी. लोन है, लोन से डरो मत. एसयूआई स्कीम के तहत लोन लेना और चुकाना बिल्कुल मुश्किल नहीं है, चाहिए तो सिर्फ हौसला. और इसी हौसले को जगाने और बढ़ाने का पुरजोर प्रयास किया हमारे मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर्स ने. स्वावलंबन सशक्त मेगा कैंपेन आत्मनिर्भर बनने की और एक सजल और सुंदर कदम है. As our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji says, hard work never brings fatigue, it brings satisfaction. So we will continue with our hard work. And finally, as the saying goes, this is not the end, this is just a bend on an uphill road towards more women empowerment. हम 20 फाउंडर मेंबर्स की थे मंजिल की ओर, लोग आते गए और कारवां बनता गया. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.